Let's explain Ricoh's Pro 5200 and 5210 today. C5200, print speed of 65 ppm. The C5210 has a print speed of 75 ppm. The resolution of this machine is 1200 x 2400. The C5300 will be more advanced than this one. It can also print 350 grams of coated paper, but it can only be printed on one side by bypass. Equivalent to its upgraded version is C5300. The current positioning of this machine is a semi-production machine. It can also be used with a pager, a carton, or a server. It's basically a scaled-down version. This one is currently a very cost-effective color machine that can be used by entry-level graphic stores. This copier is relatively close to the target population of C5300, and this one is more suitable for production, not so high demand, just occasionally print some covers. This is all to meet the demand. It is more cost-effective than the C5300, because it's been on the market for a long time. This machine is currently very cheap, so let's take a look at the printing effect of this machine now. If you are also interested in photocopiers, everyone is welcome to click to subscribe, or tell me the machine you are interested in the comment section. See you next time.